This home has it all. Updated kitchen with granite countertops, under cabinet lighting, ceramic flooring and some stainless appliances. New hardwood flooring in dining room and new family room carpet. First floor laundry. First floor family room has a beautiful fireplace surrounded by hardwood paneling with built-in bookshelves and storage. 4 spacious bedrooms with ceiling fans plus 2 and 1/2 baths. Large master suite with garden tub, separate shower, 2 sinks and ample closet space. New windows and window treatments throughout. Large closets providing much storage space. New furnace and air conditioning in 2015. New 50-gallon power vent hot water heater in August 2020 with 7-year warranty. Exterior freshly painted and maintained in September 2020. The yard has a sprinkler system and the back is fenced. This home is excellently located near restaurants, shopping and easy expressway access.